Thinking of moving to Mexico or buying property there? You might be wondering if you need a lawyer. The short answer is, not always. But sometimes, the right legal support can save you from costly mistakes. So how do you know when to hire a lawyer and when a trusted service provider is enough? Let's break it down. If you're applying for temporary or permanent residency, a full-on legal team probably isn't necessary. Services like Mexico Residency Experts can guide you through the process, from pre-qualification to consulate appointments and I&M paperwork. They help avoid delays and errors, all without the cost of an attorney. For straightforward immigration tasks, they've got you covered. Now, if your situation is more complex, like buying property in a restricted zone, resolving contract issues, or starting a business, it's a good idea to work with a licensed attorney. Also, if you're handling wills, estates, or any disputes, a lawyer brings real legal authority under Mexican law. In these cases, the cost of a lawyer can save you major headaches down the line. Here's something different from what you might expect. In Mexico, a notario público isn't just someone who stamps papers. They're powerful legal officials appointed by the state. They're required for things like property closings and title transfers. But remember, they don't represent you personally. So if you need help understanding a contract or checking for risks, it's best to hire an independent lawyer or work with a provider who partners with legal experts. So what's the takeaway? You don't always need a lawyer for immigration or property in Mexico. In fact, a trusted team like Mexico Residency Experts can handle most standard processes smoothly and affordably. But when the stakes are high, think legal disputes, business setup, or big real estate deals, bringing in a licensed attorney is a smart move. Trying to handle everything alone can cost you more in the end. A good provider will tell you when they can help, and when it's time to call in a lawyer. That's how you protect your investment and your peace of mind. Need help figuring out your next step? Reach out to the pros who know when to assist and when to connect you with legal support.